To fix the issue of a Wix favicon not showing up, follow this simplified procedure. First, ensure you have uploaded a favicon to your Wix site. If you have not, go to the Wix editor. Click on Settings. Then click on Favicon, and upload your desired favicon image. Next, check the file format and size of your favicon. Wix recommends using a square image with a minimum size of 16 by 16 pixels and a maximum size of 500 x 500 pixels. The file format should be either PNG, GIF, or ICO. If your favicon does not meet these requirements, edit and re-upload it. Then, clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, the favicon may not appear due to outdated cache and cookies. Clearing them will force your browser to reload the favicon. Additionally, check if your favicon is visible in the Wix editor but not on the live site. If this is the case, try publishing your site again. This will update your live site with the latest changes, including the favicon. If the issue persists, try checking the favicon URL. Ensure the URL is correct and the favicon image is accessible. You can do this by right-clicking on the favicon in the Wix editor and selecting Copy Link Address. Then paste the link in a new browser tab to check if the image loads correctly. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact Wix support for further assistance. They can help you identify and fix any underlying issues that may be preventing your favicon from showing up. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of your Wix favicon not showing up and ensure your site has a professional and personalized look.